Wolf! Woof! Wolf! Woof.
Hi, I'm Austin Harvey.
And I'm Chris Smiley.
And this is
Old School Entertainment.
And today on Old School Entertainment, we're going to play a game Chris likes to call
Dog Shot Collar Trivia.
Or AKA Shocking Trivia.
AKA
Trivia that will shock you. AKA Dog Shot Collar Therapy.
Though today's questions may be shocking in nature, today's hostess is shockingly beautiful.
Introducing the lovely Lisa Azeria.
Hi, I'm Lisa. Thanks for having me on the show.
Anytime.
The rules are simple. 5 questions each. I'm going to be reading off some musician questions for Chris. He's going to be reading off some cinema type questions for me. Trivia is the game. Shocking is the pain. We'll see what happens. Either way, I'm going to either win or get my ass kicked. I don't like callers. I don't like shock callers, but I like you guys. So stick around and find out what happens.
I am not very good at trivia, so I picked out some pretty easy questions for Austin. I have no idea what he has in store for me. And I keep hearing the neighbor dogs barking, and just feels a little ironic right now. Alright.
Warning.
Do not
try this at home. Me and Chris here are trained professional cooks, so we know what we're doing.
Yeah!
This remote right here has 3 settings. So if your dog, like Chris, is running out and he's not returning, you just press the first button. Noise warning. Chris is sure to come back. And if he's not, if he's chasing the mailman way down the street, oh, you just switch it to the second setting. It has a vibration. Yeah, he's sure gonna know. And if that's still not working, well then we switch it to the final setting, the shocking setting. And that will be saved for when we answer some questions.
Hooray.
Well, since doing rock, paper, scissors didn't work, we're gonna have Lisa flip a coin.
We got heads, tails.
I'll be tails.
Heads it is.
Okay, here we go. Tails.
Tails. Oh, shit.
Okay, Austin. Who was the producer of the movie series Lord of the Rings?
Lord of the Rings, the movie series? Oh, that's, oh, I know it. I should know this one. Oh, God.
Should I count down? 10? 4?
It's,
2? 1?
Christopher Nolan? Oh! Oh! Oh!
Peter Jackson.
Peter Jackson! Oh, I should have known that.
Okay, Chris. How many studio albums did the band Nirvana release?
Oh boy. Fuck. I'm gonna guess 6.
I'm so sorry.
Jesus Christ!
The
Oh,
answer
I'm a
is
good boy.
3.
3?
Yeah.
Oh man.
Okay, we just amped it up, so you better get this right. In what movie did Johnny Knoxville pretend to be mentally challenged?
Oh, fuck. Oh, I know this one. I saw that movie. I like that movie, even though people don't like that movie. What is it called? I don't know it. What was it? I want to know it.
The Ringer.
Damn it, I knew it. That's what it was.
Even I knew that one. Chris, question number 2. I believe in you.
Thanks.
What city was guitarist Stevie Ray Vaughan born? And you have multiple choice. So A, Memphis, B, Dallas, or C, Houston.
I'm gonna guess Memphis. Oh boy.
Are you sure that's your right
Yeah,
answer?
that's all I can do.
Oh my goodness.
Oh boy. Oh dude. Oh man.
The answer was Dallas, Texas.
I'm a good boy. Get this fucking thing off me.
Question. Who was the antagonist in the movie Unbreakable?
Unbreakable?
Yeah.
Like
And
the actor or the character?
the antagonist? Here, should I read multiple choice? Okay, we're being generous. A, Bruce Willis. B, Samuel L. Jackson. C, Jason Momoa. Or D, Jeff Goldblum.
It would be Samuel L. Jackson.
Woo! You
I don't know
got
what
it
character's
right.
name. Yay, I don't get shocked for once. Woohoo!
Okay, I love this guy. Question 3, Chris. How
Right.
old is rapper Eminem? A, 52, B, 50, or C, 55?
I'm gonna say he's 50.
You got it right!
Oh, my
Congratulations! I just want to say I'm so proud of you guys for getting it right. So this one might be a little tough. In what year was the book The Never-Ending Story published?
Oh God, what? Book? These questions about movies.
Okay, ready? No, you have.
Oh, multiple choice.
You get multiple choice. Yeah, we're giving you a little easy. Okay, so A, September 1st, 1979. B, October 12th, 1992. C, June 4th, 1920. Or D, August 4th, 1899.
Oh, I'm gonna get shocked. But the one in the 70s. My 70s answer. I don't know, 76 or 78 or something.
Do you want me to read this again?
But then,
I feel like that'll give it away.
never-ending story. No, final answer, the 70s.
Okay, so is that A?
Yeah,
for you?
B.
Okay, you got it.
I did?
Yeah.
Cool. Thank God. The number 1976 popped in my head. And I was like, that's going to be the year. And
1979.
And I was like, yeah, that's close enough.
Yeah.
Oh, thank
we'll
God.
give it to you. We'll give it to you.
There's no way that book is that old.
Chris Smiley.
Hey.
What year did the song Till I Got High by Afroman get released? A, 1977, B, 1999, or C, 2000?
Oh shit. I was alive when this song came out. I was gonna remember the date. And then I got high. 2000.
Correct!
Oh my
my God,
goodness.
yes! You guys are
Oh.
2 for 2. Who will win? We're down to our last question. I'm about to learn something new today. In the adult movie industry, what is a fluffer?
Oh, fluffer. Fluffer. Oh, a fluffer. Is that, this is my guess, I could be wrong, is that a lady or man that is keeping the person that is doing the effing like hard or erect during and after the shots?
Guys, I just learned something new. Correct, I guess.
Oh,
No shock.
awesome.
Sudden death. Question 5, last one. Austin's in the lead. So, Chris, what was the name of Jimi Hendrix's first band? And you call yourself a musician.
I know it's not the Jimi Hendrix Experience,
No.
but that's my guess.
Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry. Did it work?
Ah, fuck, you did it twice! God damn!
I'm sorry. That's what you get.
Clearly.
The Velvetones is the correct answer.
You know what? Since I lost, do it one more
One
time.
more time.
Yeah.
Victory! Bad
This
dog.
time, wait for it. Oh, fuck. Oh,
Good job.
Austin. Put it on. I can't concentrate.
You're a good boy, Chris.
I'm a good boy. Arro.
3, 2, 1.
Fuck.
That was a long one too.
That's what she said.
Well, the last game I lost, so it's good I won this one.
Woohoo! We have our winner, ladies and gentlemen.
Jimi Hendrix for the win! Yeah, that guy! Woo! Anyhow, I'm Austin Harvey,
And I'm Chris Smiley.
and this is the lovely.
Lisa Azeria.
Thank you, guys.
And this is Old School Entertainment. Feel free to leave a like and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications.
Thank you.
Thanks for having me. Okay, so I feel bad because I'm like not even supposed to be causing harm to people because I took a yoga oath to not do any ahimsa, a little terminology there. So I feel bad, so I'm gonna get shocked. Okay.
Thanks for coming and being on the show.
This is my thanks. Ow, that hurts. What the fuck? You didn't even let me count down. Do it again.
Do it again.
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Thanks again for hosting, and you're great.
Thanks, guys.
High five. This is old school entertainment, guys.
Yeah.
Wolf.
Woof.
Wolf.
Woof.
Oh, I thought you were gonna do a bigger one.
No.
Let me try that.